I head HR for Piramal Finance. Piramal Finance was the newest baby on the block for Piramal Group. We were just starting out, and our intent was to scale up a retail lending firm which would reach to the interiors of the country, which would service the unserviced population of our country in terms of increasing credit penetration. And for that, we knew that we will have a very diversified workforce across the country over a period of time. We had big ambition. We were looking for an HR tech system which would help us align align our business aspirations with the way we scale up our employee workforce as well. So I was looking specifically for an HR tech system which would have agility to scale up, which would have a good user friendliness, so that it can reach the last mile very, very conveniently. And most importantly, we knew that the kind of workforce we will be servicing in the coming years will be much more on mobile than on devices like laptops or iPads, etc. So we wanted something which was more user-friendly and mobile-enabled technology. And that's where we started evaluating, and Darwinbox seemed to fit in all of these requirements. So when we were looking for the HR system, we of course had a legacy system which the rest of the group was already using, and we could have easily gone with the same HR tech solution. But our requirements were slightly different than what the rest of the group already had. We were looking for a system which was, like I said, more agile, right? It had to be a system where, given that we would have a very large and a distributed workforce, 2 or 3 aspects in an employee life cycle became very, very important. The ability for me to hire and onboard people seamlessly, for that employee to be able to manage their day-to-day life cycle events very, very seamlessly, like applying for leaves or marking attendance or looking at the HR policies. And then again, this is also a workforce where the attrition rates are generally high. So for us to have an ability where we can also offboard or manage the FNFs, exit, etc. of our employees very, very seamlessly was also some very important criteria that we were looking to solve with an efficient HR tech system. Darwinbox, in that sense, checked a lot of these boxes for us. Flexibilities that Darwinbox gave, for example, geofencing, which allows my employees to mark their attendance without using a biometric system, etc., has come in very, very handy. The candidate experience has become better with the overall mobile-enabled onboarding process that we have been able to set up with Darwinbox, and similarly the efficiencies that we have been able to bring in terms of answering employee queries, marking leaves. Most of these things which were earlier would require an employee to log into a laptop to access the system. Now all of such day-to-day things can be accessed on the mobile itself, making it much more convenient for our employees to use it. To be able to leverage data for better decision making, the preliminary part is having the data. And that's where many organizations struggle today, because they capture the data in different places and then try to bring it together at one particular place and then analyze it. That leads to a lot of errors. For us, I think having Darwinbox and employee interact with their entire life cycle through Darwinbox makes things relatively easier for us. Whether it's the candidates who are going through their assessment process, or that candidate eventually becoming an employee and then marking their attendance, transfers, leaves, attendance, all of that being captured on the same system makes it much, much more easier for us to have clean data on which we can then build trends, we can then do an analysis and use that data in conjunction with the business data like sales, like productivity, and come up with better outcomes. A good use case that comes to mind is getting insights into our attrition. When this is a workforce, like I said, it's a highly distributed workforce, and typically such workforce has high attrition rates. But if I want to understand where that attrition is stemming from, but the ability to have employee data at one place and cull that out gives us that competitive edge where we can build more insights on that demographic data. So when we talk of HR processes, there are two parts to it. One is the countless number of follow-ups, etc., that are needed to get employees to actually follow the process or do the process the way you want them to. And the second is the efficiency or the accuracy with which the process runs. I think in both these aspects, having Darwinbox as our partner of choice has helped us. The fact that Darwinbox is a user-friendly system, it makes some of the day-to-day processes that HR wants employees to do or managers to do much more easier without any follow-ups. If one of my team members has applied for leave, as a manager, in the past, I may have to log into the system, go to that task and then approve that leave. Otherwise, it will keep showing pending against my name. But now, the moment an employee applies for a leave, thanks to the integration that Darwinbox has with Microsoft Teams, I immediately get a ping saying a leave has been applied, and all I have to do is on Teams, click on accept, approve or reject. And that's about it. So as a manager, it makes my life much more simpler. On the other side, employees' life is simple because they would have applied this leave similarly with the help of a Teams prompt or with the help of their mobile application. So both ways, it becomes adherence to policies like apply your leave, approve your leave becomes much easier because we have given our employees a user-friendly system that they can use as in the flow of their day rather than disrupting their day to go and do the formalities. So things like this have created a lot of process efficiencies overall for us. And of course, all of this leads to the process being followed accurately, leading to data flowing to us accurately. I think when it comes to an HRMS system, no noise from employees is probably the best you can hope for. The fact that we have a very good adoption rate, the fact that we have much less follow-ups to do for the day-to-day processes that we expect our employees to do, and there are good uptimes. There are no complaints about how difficult it is to follow through the process or the way they are interacting with Darwinbox. This partnership has been a mutually rewarding partnership for us. The best thing about working with Darwinbox was that they've always taken the client feedback very seriously. So I hope that they continue on this path. They continue listening to what their clients are saying and how the employees of their clients are experiencing their system, and continue to stay innovative.